Dami kong dala. Okay, dito na tayo ngayon. Sa Mazda C5, welcome back guys. Yung kukunin natin unit, ganyan siya. Eto na pala siya. Pero tinanggal niya yung mag. Yes, malapit na tayo sa Mazda C5. So katabi lang siya ng Toyota Pasig. So yan, ganda. Ganda ng showroom nila ngayon, no? Sige, tawagan pa lang si client. Baka nandyan na siya. Liga, pasok tayo sa loob. So, welcome back guys dito sa Mazda C5. Siyempre, kasama natin yung mga idol natin. Si Miss Anne, si Boss Glenn. Ano guys, how are you? Ano balita? Nandiyan na yung kliyente natin Si 4749. O yan, sige, salubungin natin. Let's go. Okay guys, kasama natin si client, si owner, Sir Alex. So he's going to trade in his Mazda 3 to a
CX-60.
So magmamalaki na siya. Bakit ka mag-hybrid ngayon? And ba't ka magmamalaki? Can you tell us?
Dahil sa exception ng CX-60, it's a green plate, which means, syempre, less hassle for coding.
Hassle, right.
And you have the power as well as the space for a family. Pretty low ground clearance, pero very smooth.
Saka iba na yung design niya ngayon Parang more on, na siya, aggressive. Plus, may pagka-luxury, no?
Yes sir, with the fourth generation, parang talaga nila, they stepped up.
Sana papansin ko, alika Owi. Kung papansin mo yung yung grills niya, iba na. Tapos, yung headlight niya, mas lumiit, diba? Compared dito, sa luma, sa old version. So, ang dami pagkakaiba. Yung body niya, mas naging slick, no?
Yeah, it's also wider and lower.
Ano ang tawag sa paint na yan? Kakaiba
This shade is a polymetal gray, actually. Yeah, one of the nicer colors for Mazda 3.
So, okay. So, inside, guys, ang luwag ng cabin niya. Ang luwag, no? Yeah.
Yung seating position ko actually is pang mahaba na legs. So ngayon medyo you feel a little bit long.
Oo, yeah.
But what I like about the interior is yun nga, tama ka, wide and it's very driver-centric, the cockpit.
That's
As
right.
well as all of the controls.
Yes. Tapos ito yung sunroof niya, guys.
Yes.
So it's a sporty hatchback. Sporty sedan. Sabihin na natin, hatchback ganyan. Pero may sunroof ka. So okay, start natin. Tahimik yung makina. The mileage is only 16,371 to be exact. So, Sir Alex, di mo na gamit?
Pandemic car kasi to So, once a week, I would take it around para lang hindi ma-stuck yung engine, keep it in its prime condition. I think the past 2 years lang yung 10,000 na dagdag dyan. So, it's very low mileage for its age, which is 2020.
That's right, that's right. And also, naka 360 camera ka. Sige, wag natin patagalin to. Let's proceed na sa payment. Baka magbago isip mo
Sige, sir.
Talaga? Done deal, guys! I-disable ni client yung
Braking niya, smart braking ba yun?
kasi ito, it's very sensitive, no? Kapag may kotse sa harapan mo, pag malapit na, nagsasudden brake siya.
Yeah, it has an amber light that says off. So, disabled na yung front, pero rear mo is still turned on.
Okay.
So, kung nagpo-pull out ka, tapos merong singit, it will save you.
Nice. Ang high-tech talaga ng Mazda, no? So, dadiretso na natin ito sa cashier. Sir Alex, thank you and congratulations. Done deal tayo.
Thank you, Sir Kevin, as well.
Thank you. Alright. See guys, abangan natin to sa showroom. Itong kotse niya. Ito. Yung bagong bili natin. Mag-lunch muna tayo. Hindi pa tayo kumakain. Sobrang busy natin na tao. So, halika. Lunch muna tayo guys. See ya.